Hi, I'm attorney Nick Fazy. So there's been many occasions where I represent clients that have been in car accidents that are involved in multi-car accident cases. For example, a three-car accident where my client would be the car in the middle, there's a car in front of him, or and then there's a car behind my client. So what happens in these cases, a lot of times the car that's in the middle, in this case my client, would end up hitting the car in front of him as well. So a typical example scenario would be clients driving on the highway, traffic slows down, the car behind my client rear ends my client, causing my client to move forward and rear end the car in front of him. So the first thing the car that rear ended my client is going to try and do, that car's insurance company is going to say, well, there were two impacts and my client, the car in the middle, hit the car in front of him first, and then the car behind him ran into him. Well, they do this to minimize their damages. They're going to say, well, we'll accept 50% liability because your client hit the car in front of him first, causing some of the damages and injuries to him. Then our insured came and rear ended your client. So basically, in essence, all they're doing is saying that the car in front of my clients was hit first. Therefore, my client is 50%, or some kind of percentage, 25% or 49% negligent. In Texas, they call that comparative negligence. So if, for example, his damages or bills are $10,000, they're only going to pay, hypothetically, theoretically, $5,000 of that. And the best way to find out if actually the second car or my client's car hit the car in front of him first would be, obviously, if there's any eyewitnesses, which in a lot of these cases there aren't any eyewitnesses. So what do? We ask the car in front how many impacts that car felt. If that car felt two impacts, then it's safe to say that, yes, my client hit the car in front of him first, then the car behind my client rear-ended him, and then causing my client to hit the car in front of him again, causing two impacts. However, if the car in front testifies that they only felt one impact, then clearly my client or the car in the middle did not hit the car in front first. Because if it was only one impact, the car behind my client rear-ended him, causing him to rear-end the car in front of him, thus only one impact. So this is something to think about on multi-car accidents. Thank you.